This Maintenance Minute is sponsored by Auto Value. Visit us online for more information.
Andrew Markel, Import Car Magazine, and today we're talking about Toyota's and 0W20 weight oil. Toyota went to this oil about a decade ago, and the reason why they did this is to improve startup times and startup emissions, and also there's a fuel savings of about 1%. So what happens if you decide to go with a 5W30 in a Toyota engine that requires 0W20? Well, typically that 5W30, if you're using conventional oil, you're going to run into carbon deposit problems. The other issue that you're also going to be running into is under certain conditions and certain temperatures, you may get cam and crank sensor synchronization codes with the variable valve timing system. So it's in your best interest for the customer and their engine to use 0W28 oil on a Toyota pretty much from the last decade. I'm Andrew Markel with Import Car Magazine. Thank you very much.